How you start your morning will dictate your entire life. Today, I'm going to show you the most optimal morning routine all of you should be implementing. Starting with waking up early and immediately getting sunlight. Our bodies have been programmed to need vitamin D early in the morning to make them wake up. Andrew Huberman is a Stanford neuroscientist that has done extensive research in the brain and when it comes to vision. And he coined doing this the optimal start of every morning because it triggers a small cortisol release, which is a healthy level of cortisol right into your system, which ends up acting as a wake-up signal and will end up promoting wakefulness and the ability to focus throughout the day. In other words, your brain sees sun, vitamin D, time to work. Number 2, work out before you eat. Now, I've been doing this for about 4 or 5 years now because I'll wake up really early, I'll do my workout, and then I have breakfast. And in my mind, it was like this little challenge where I didn't deserve food until I put in some work. Well, Andrew Huberman also agrees with this. You want to get your body moving before you reward it with some food to metabolize. Not to mention that intermittent fasting has a mountain of evidence for it to be potentially healthy for you. Not only does it help you burn fat, it also helps increase your metabolism. It also helps increase your energy level. Shoot, recently it's been even proven to help increase the length of your life because the less you eat or the less amount of times you eat throughout the day, the longer you end up living. Number 3, keep your outfits simple. I cannot stress this enough. Basics are more than enough for men. A good hoodie, a good t-shirt, a good button down. You don't need the most extravagant wardrobe. You have it filled with basics that you already know look good, you're set. For example, you go to my closet right now, it looks the same. Like if I already like a t-shirt, I'll get that t-shirt in the same color 6 times over. You will also see a lack of color and more neutrals. This simplicity makes it a breeze to get ready in the morning. I can literally pick out anything blindfolded and get ready in 2 minutes, and now I look good. Now I know I'll make a positive impact in the world while also looking as attractive as possible without wasting a lot of time. That's why I go with essentials. Like with essentials, I want to build basics that I know will make you look good and feel good. Shoot, so much so, I made a new bundle. This bundle is probably the best bundle I've made, where it has all the basics. I'm going to give you 3 tops and 3 bottoms. The tops will be a bamboo tee, a tank top, and an oversized tee. The bottoms will be our new fitness shorts, our carpenter pants, and more dressy pants. Now you have a fitted outfit, you have an athletic outfit, and you have a streetwear outfit. The point is, with those 6 pieces, you can make 3 standard fits and then mix and match as you want to make a total of 9 different outfits, but they're basics. That's what I want to get you. I want to get you accustomed to basics, and then the pieces that you like the most, you can buy multiple of them, so you reach out, you look good. You reach out, you look good. If you guys want to check out this bundle, boys, I'm going to hook it up because I don't want you to break the bank. I'm going to give you $190 off. The coupon code will be down below. This will only last for the next 24 hours, and if I'm not wrong, I think the fitness shorts and the carpenter pants have like 5 left in inventory. I'm going to be honest with you, which means this is going to go in like the next 10 minutes. So if I were you, I'd hurry up. Number 4. Rehydrate. See, you have to understand that your body has been fasting for 10 hours as you sleep. It has sweat, it has the body mechanics still processed, so it's been using water and energy as you sleep, so your body is thirsty. While you can intermittent fast, the first thing you should be doing is rehydrating, giving the body what it needs. Now, you can use lemon to spark up this water. There are very weak evidence to suggest that it does help with metabolism and fat burning effects. So you can do it for that, but more importantly than that, lemon will spark up your water so it tastes better and you can enjoy it. On top of that, it has just a ton of natural vitamin C and other vitamins that are beneficial for yourself. So while it might not help with metabolism, it will help just to get your daily dose of vitamins. Number 5, breath work. I've been doing this a lot lately where after my workouts, I've been hopping into the sauna. Game changing. Game changing. The air is so thin in there because it's so hot. You're already exhausted because you just worked out. So all you want to do is like hyperventilate. Like, you want to start gasping for air. So I force myself to breathe. I do 4 counts of breath, so in other words, 4 counts in, 4 counts out, and I'll do this for up to like 10, 15 minutes. So not only do you just sweat all those toxins out, you force your body to really breathe under pressure, which helps your cardiovascular system. It opens up your lungs, and you just feel so energetic throughout the day. Ultimately rolls us to number 6. If you need caffeine, do it 2 hours after waking up. I don't drink a lot of coffee anymore. Doing this morning routine, I'm promising you, you do it right every morning, you will feel energetic. I don't do energy drinks, I don't do coffee anymore. The point is, you can reach that level, but maybe coffee is just a thing, you just like it, which is understandable. If you're gonna do that, make sure it's about 2 hours after you've woken up, right? Give your body the ability to build up that natural energy for you so you're not just always dependent on that cup of coffee.